Hello there. I don't have headphones in. Oh, here's that earplugs in though, because I just got off of a screeching train. There we go. I hope you guys can hear me okay. It is Friday, the 2nd of November, and I'm walking amidst traffic. I'm just here to let you know I did discover something for other MSers or people with fibromyalgia who have really bad fatigue problems. I never thought I would find anything that would do anything for the fatigue for me. The only things that have helped me at all are low-dose naltrexone and amantadine, but this new thing that my doctor prescribed to me, not that this is great, she prescribed vitamin B12 to me, and I think the strength is 1,000 milligrams. And my mother had asked me if they were thousands or if they were 500s, and she said, you know, if they're 500, I mean, if they're thousands, you may want to cut them in half. And I remember just kind of dismissing that out of hand. I had insomnia twice this week. I didn't sleep at all last night, and a couple of days ago, I think I maybe got 2 hours of sleep, if that much. I'm kind of slap happy at the moment. I'm definitely not wide awake, but the fact that I can function at all is amazing because I haven't slept for 2 days. So that's something you might want to try. If you have really bad fatigue, you might want to see if your doctor can give you a prescription for B12 supplements. But be warned, if they're 1,000 milligram, you're going to have trouble falling asleep, because if anything can keep me up, it'll keep anybody up. So anyway, I just wanted to share that little bit of info. I gotta go because I'm heading home right now, but I did just want to share that info with everyone. So again, when I find things out, I will share them. Take care. Namaste. Thanks as always for coming here, and peace and light. Take care. Cheers.